Conversation. Good morning. What's wrong?
Good morning. My daughter has been coughing for a month.
What symptoms did she have at the beginning?
She had a cold, a runny nose, and sneezing. Now she has gotten over her cold, but she still has a cough. She told me that her throat itched. She can't stop coughing.
Okay. Let me check her eyes. Oh, her eyes are bloodshot.
Do you think it's an asthmatic attack?
No, it is whooping cough.
Is it serious and can it be cured?
Don't worry. Today we have very good medicine for it.
Is it contagious?
Sure, it is. That's why all infants should have the DPT shot to prevent pertussis, diphtheria, and tetanus.